Albert, okay, all the best.
Chief guest. Which is led by Krishna Hansi as the head boy and Nisha Taranpi as the head girl. And now saluting next is the Blue House, which is led by Sergeant Anand Singh and Roslyn Song Tiso as the head boy and Mirtina Timungpi as the head girl. The last group saluting now is the Red House, which is led by Albert Teron as the head boy and Rubon Rong Pipi as the head girl. March.
Okay, listen. While marching, you just listen. This is the criteria for judging. All of you, the 5 houses. The corner that is the yellow, and followed by the blue. The middle that is the white house, followed by the green and the red. Now, as this is for the competitions, there will be 4 criteria for judging. First, your marching, your hand swinging and your legs. That is the marching points. Second, the captain's command. Each house has captain, and the captain should command very loud. The marching will get 20 points. Captain's command will get 10 points.
1, 2, 3, 4 houses now. Okay, and then among the houses, you need to compete, isn't it? And there are lots of events, I think, isn't it, sir? Lot of different, like 100 meter race, 200 meter race. High jump, long jump is there or not? High jump, long jump. Whether have you did pole jump? I still remember that I can jump up to 10 feet like that. Okay. And in regards to high jump, I can jump around 5 feet like that. Okay. So whether you can do it or not, and I can play any all the sports event. Okay. Right from 100 meter race, 200 meter race, I used to participate in marathon race also. Marathon race event is there or not? Marathon race is there. Okay, marathon race and kabaddi, kho, badminton. Badminton events there or not? Okay. We have badminton event also. And for girls, what are the events? That musical chair is there? Oh, okay. And for girls also there is high jump, long jump. And races are there, like 100, 200, isn't it? So this is the why this annual day events used to organize, because you need to perform your talent, isn't it? You need to show your talent. This is the right platform. If you can, if you are good in high jump or long jump or whatever events it might be, okay? So you will get the certificates, isn't it? You will get the certificates, and that certificate will give you lots of value in the future. So when you graduated, okay, if you apply for any job in the government job or any other department. So that certificates will give a lot of value in the case of extracurricular like that. So you see, annual sports or event, it begins with a grand periods of participants, isn't it? And followed by like a variety of athletics event like races, relays. Students display their skills and sportsmanship, cheered on by a lively crowd of teachers and parents. Now teachers and parents are also here. They will witness your participation. The day culminates in an award ceremony. After all the program is over, you will be given an award, isn't it? Medal will also be conferred, isn't it? You will get the medals and like recognition of best performers with trophies. You will get trophies, isn't it?
Okay, first of all, I'd like to thanks the media personnel giving me this opportunity. Nalitum media bang in the want to participate also our signing. See, I'm pleased to be here on this 4th annual sports day at Everlasting English Higher Secondary School. So this is the first time I'm coming here on this occasion, and you see annual sports day. It is organized every year, and just to show the talent of the students in different events, like 100 meters, 200 meters, high jump, long jump, both for boys and girls. You see, the high events, people don't know me or not. School team dala annual sports day itu, sekolah sports day ane si marathon, keling ketan, batu ketan, alang itu talent, cepat lang itu. Jadi kalau lah sports abang ke extracurricular, senang lah mungkin doktor engineer ke sombat mak punya datai. Da mana jong se football exer, mana jong se badminton exer, mana jong se athletics lah exer bolte. Ajung kami alang temu kapugi, la solo got kapugi ta do bolte. Alang temu sakuri tinong kami isi our side do. Okay, lah example ni ang eligible for dual B, kita football patura ke state national player lo. Assam Police long si non DPSP ring khela sport langsung dah non lah ninja nilo khela indicate alam list tame forest along tame alam boston hai wasa kalau dah sports athletics ahin ala ke kapun national international level medal nong ye lagi long si alam leader hai our side government and standard recognize no langsung datang semua semua dengan sistem kebuhiban pada dalam sports culture luna sistem regular sistem so activity sabang ke kenan satu sini lintan